Hello guys, your boy Samson here and welcome to this short video on Forex time zones. Foreign exchange is a 24-hour market that operates around the world. As a result, there are different time zones that traders need to be aware of. These time zones are very important because you can know the volatility of the market. The first thing to understand is that Forex trading starts at the beginning of the week in the Asian Pacific region and ends at the end of the week in New York session. This means that the market is open 24 hours in a day. Understanding Forex time zones is important as it allows all the traders to know when the market is most active and when it's likely to be less volatile. For those who have difficulty with determining the different sessions, then you are on the right video because I'm going to show you two tools that can make it easy for you as a beginner Forex trader. The first tool is TradingView. TradingView is a popular charting platform that includes a variety of tools and indicators, including a time zone indicator. Traders can add the time zone indicator to the chart and it will display the opening and closing times of different trading sessions, and I will be showing you how you can get around it. The indicator is free of charge, so to add the indicator to the chart, just go to the indicator tab up here and search for this indicator called Kill Zone, made by Oscars, and left click on that. The indicator will be added to your chart and it has already preset colors that you can use already, or you can also change the color to your preference. Another tool that can help you in determining these time zones with ease is babypips.com website. Babypips.com is a very easy tool to use, and I will drop the link of the website in the description below. All you have to do is go to www.babypips.com and then go to this area here, written tools. After going to that area, written tools, go to the Forex market hours, click on that, and it will display this interface here showing the different market time zones, and this time zone converter syncs direct with the time of the area that you are browsing in from. For those who've reached this far, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and drop a comment down below on any video that you'd like me to work on with you guys in the next one. See you then. A peace.